Now it comes off of my new album release, Kahele. And I wrote a song on this CD called Pua Alamea. And I wrote that song for my little niece, who's my little Kahele. She's my tail, my everything. And I'm sure everybody can relate. Everybody has a little favorite of theirs in their ohana. Ironically, she's over here. She's visiting with me from Hilo. She's the girl over here that kind of kicks still. Jumping around like a flea. Still jumping. But I wrote this song for her. The song is Pua Alamea. Alamea in Hawaiian translates to similar to the Hawaiian word punahele, which also means favorite or something that you hold dear to. And she is exactly that for me. So I'd like to share this song. Lohi. Okay, Lohi. So let's sing this song. Okay? Oh, now you can still. Song goes a little something like this. The other girl is my other niece, my other brother's daughter. I never quite figure out one melody for her yet. It's coming, I'm sure it's coming.